So welcome. We are done about the tables. We're done on the tables and relationships. Yes. So now next we are going to create forms for all these tables and enter some dummy data to these tables. So create using form designer. So I do this. So I add existing fields, show all tables. So I start with the public table. Double click. So I select all this and then bring here. Okay, and then I will pick this. We are just designing. I put that cut. And then I will pick this label, make the title, use the bandwidth. Just be like that. Click outside, inside, format, let it be around 20. 36, center, 8, 48, and let's change this to a linear. So I have this. So I'll again change the go to designer, go to property sheet, then all. So here we have the back color. The color I want to be at the back. I want black. Okay. Then I want the border style. Give it that. The border width, let it to be like 5 pointer. And then the border color. Border color should be black again. And then we have go to the fore color. The fore color, let it be white now. Okay, just like that. Okay, and I'll just check again this. Okay, that one again. Let me put the back color to be black, and then this one, let it be like 3 point, and then we have the fore color, which is white. The fore color is white. So if you look at our form, go to form view. This is how our form looks like. This is how our form looks like, but it doesn't have the navigation patterns. So again, we go back to the design view. We pick the pattern. So we have this pattern here. We have the record navigation pattern. So click, go to first record. We want it to be like this. So finish. So I pick again. Pick another pattern. Record. Go to last record. Finish. Again. I pick. Go to next record. Finish. Then again we have this. Next go to previous record. Finish. So I'll arrange these patterns. I'll arrange them this way. Now this. Now that. Let me make these patterns to be a bit bigger. A bit bigger. again change the colors. You can change the back color of that. You can again use black. That's not black color. It will be like that. Wait a minute. Black color. Oh, that's for the whole form. For the whole form, I wanted this. It will be like that. So this it will be like that. So again, we have other buttons that should be here for the record operation. That was the record navigation, record operation, add. So this one, just put add, finish. And this we have with the record operations, we have delete, finish, add. So I don't want this. Let me just delete it. So I have this. For next, it was record operation, delete. So I go to next, and then so just delete it. Someone can understand. And then this one, record operations. We have delete, add. We don't duplicate, we don't print, save. We save, finish, and then we can record operation. You can undo whatever you have done. I think this one, maybe almost undo. So that was record operation. So the something I've not done for this. So this one should be right click. I put it a frame for this. Say that this is record navigation. Okay, so I delete for this, and then I put the width for that to be around 4, and then the border color. I want it to be black. Okay, that way. And so count this tunaweka kadogo. Here I want the border color to be black, and then the fore color to be white, and then the back color to be black, and then kuna border color here equal black. So here that way, and then you can do this and do that. So I enlarge this. Once you have added, you save. Once whatever you have saved is not okay, you can delete, and then you can undo. And then you can undo. So this was the record operation. Again, I can put a frame for this. First, let me do this. Put the apple. This again the border color black, hairline 4 pointer, and again for this border color, the back color kwanza, the back color should be black, and then the border, I have mentioned on this record, click inside this record variation, so again I can click outside, and then now the for color it's white, the color is white. Then I have this, click control, you can select one. For that, the back color, wait, it will be like this, and then the full color, that's it will be black. It does not be using so many colors. So look at our form. Look at it. You can add, you can save, you can delete, you can undo. Okay, that you cannot exceed this form. So again, I design with a pattern should be here. That is for the form operation, close form. So this I say exit. Finish. So for this I want to the back color to be red. See, it's red. To be red. That way the full color to be black. That way. And then I want our border with it to be at least 5. With 5. This 5, that's the border. And then the border color, make it red. So I can save the form once done with it. Form, I save it. So let us see this one. So I can add, whether you can change all these colors once you click on a pattern. Okay, so you can change those colors if you want to know where you change them. So the same view, let me light on there the patterns. Give me a light, for example this we have offer preset the color, all that on offer preset for color. So we have this, if you can change those once the preset the offer color, you can change the colors of your wish. Okay, preset the color, so you can see we are changing. So once we change, we see the difference. Okay, so I've changed for only record navigation. Let me save it, and then phone view. So you can see it has changed. You can see it has changed on a class. So now we can exit. Okay, that's how you get a form. And you can use this form to enter data in the bandwidth table. Okay, for example, let us enter the first. Say we have the bandwidth, we have bandwidth ID, say P001. speed MPS, you can see you can choose, it's 4, and because it was calculated that's why, so you can add. Then we say again you have B002, the speed Mbps 10, so it's calculated, you can add. If we go to our bandwidth table, you can see this way it has added. So you can use this procedure to create all the forms. You can still go form design, add existing fields. Now next you can create the bills, computers, all those. Let me create one. Create one. I have a class. Let me create one, and then so once I've created all this, so once I've picked all that, from the builds table, you can arrange them this way. You can decide on how to arrange them, okay? But for me, it's upside. I always decide to arrange them like this. You have the field month, this one, and then we have paid, yes or no, disconnected. So let me arrange them. Okay, it's you to decide on how you want your form to look like. So that's it. And then I take a label, and then I label this as bills form. I'll click outside, click inside. So I'll go to format. I want 36, 40, what about 48? 48, it's okay. So I can center this, change this, I use Algerian, and then I can change what I red. So again you can go to design, and then property sheet, and then you can change the back color, the colors you want. The back color, red, I will choose this. Is that good, huh? Red dot, let me choose this. Anyway, yeah, we are not good in colors, women. So for those, I want the property sheet. You want the border color. Let the border color be red. I don't want to mix so many colors in a form. Then we have with that. Yes, you can use it. Now mrudishe. Okay. So okay, now we have that. The border color, the border width. For that, I like using 3. For border color. Okay. It will be like that. I think it's because of the paid and disconnected. This one, the paid and disconnected. That's why it's not letting us have all this. So the border color, the back color, I wanted to put the color that we had, that one, that way, and then the fore color, I put the thread that way. So for this is a yes or no. So I don't think so. If you look at this form here, so for this it's either I click yes, if he has not read no. Now there's a simple way to put the other. There's no need again to design all this. Okay, So we can copy and come here, design, you copy all this, Control C, and then you come in and then you paste, Control V. Now the only thing you change here is the color. Okay, if you do this form view, you can see the record navigation and the record operation, they are black because they are using the other color. Okay, anyway, the form is okay, but we don't like using when at least use 3 colors, then this is okay. So we can save this form as the bills form, bills form. We cannot enter that. By the way, I'm not happy with this color. I'm not happy because it's not visible, so I will have to change it. I think the 4 color. If I use blue, it amend it. The only thing reading is the back color. Let me change the back color to this. At least it should be visible. So this, I change the back color to this. So at least what do you want? So at least now our form is looking good. So you cannot be entering data to this form because we have not created the form for institutions. Remember, institution ID is a primary key in the institutions table. So if we try to enter data, it will tell us that because we had linked them, so we must create a form for institution table. We add data to the institution table, and then we are done with it. Okay, so this is our form. I have a class here. So this is our form looks like. Okay, so you have seen that this record of record operations, instead of designing them again, you can copy. So I can exit. Oh, let me save the changes. So this I can close. You can design all the forms. There's another form, so form design, add existing properties. So I can go to the computers. Let us just design all the forms and then try to enter data. In a minute. So I said I like taking them this way, so this one that way. So I take the label. So inside. So go to the property sheet. Let me first do this. First use this. Use this. And that. So I use a Algerian. We're using Algerian by the. Okay. And now I use the color. Let me use green. The green. So this. Let me use green. Okay. And then let me paste those. Because we had copied them. That looks this way. So I'm not going to be creating the back colors and all those you have seen on how to create, you can create them for yourself. Okay, so let me save this as a computer phone. You can see how it looks, the front view, outside it looks. You can exit, again create from the sign, and add existing properties, go to the contacts, you can double click all this, and double click, double click, double click. Already done this, and then that, so I get a label, the contacts form. This is the contact form. Format, Algerian. So to decide on what to do. So and then you can choose another color for that, and that. And then I can paste. So that is contact form. So say they will not be doing on the back colors and all those, changing the colors because of time, but I think I explained in the first form. So if you can look at this, so you see our form looks good. Remember the email was an hyperlink, and that's why this was this way. So you can close this, and then you can again create form design. So add this, select one, take that down here, and then that way, and then I take a label. This is institution form. Side, then inside. So format 48 Nigerian. I'm recording for YouTube. So so you can choose another color again. Just use this. Let's use this. Okay. So you can paste again. So then you can look at this one. Okay. This is how form looks like. So you can save again. Save this as institution form. Okay, for this, because it adds so many relationships, you can add 3 to 4 data done in data table. So we have, let's say, in 001. And again, institution name, you can guess Baraka. Institution type, this is primary. Date, you can, this is on the black date. We add the next 2. Session name, we say this is school. It is senior. Registration date, we say 24th, and then 003 session name, we say one time. This junior registration there, and say industry 004 session name, we say Matiang'i. Session type, say this is college. It was registered on 25th, you add. Okay, so that is the dummy data for that. I think because it had so many relationships, it's good for us to add that. So again, create from the sign, use the learn nodes. Yeah, we have the learn ID, station ID, number of nodes, cost. So I have this, I love that, okay, then I take this, I have the learn form, introduce another color. Choose, no, men we are not good in colors. I don't like yellow. If I use yellow, they will say I'm a kissy, I like bananas. So I paste that. So again, this is our form white post text. Our form looks well, good and working. So I save it to learn nodes form. Okay. I'll just exit this. I'll just do again. I think I've remained 2, which is the payments too. Payment ID, bill ID, payment date, amount paid, payment time. So for this, so I have the bill ID taken here, the amount paid here, and the payment time. So I take the double. So I have first payments form, then go outside, inside. Payments form. Yes, the Algerian. I'm using Algerian. Again. So you have this new screen for payments. This also green. The outer colors. If you want to design, make sure you use good colors and don't use so many colors in one form. At least 3. So this is the payments form. Payments form. Okay. So this is our form, the payment form. And so let's click another one. Form the same. The last one over there. So for this we have the subscription ID, conduit, update, let's upgrade. So upgrade is a yes or no. Yeah, to show whether you have upgraded or no. Okay. So just update, so upgrade let it be there. So then we have subscription form. Subscription form. Goes inside. So this will be for 58. That one. Another color. I wonder which color I use. This. Okay. So now I use that. Now again paste that. Then I save the subscription form. Okay, that's not what I was clicking form view. So that's how it looks. So it. Now that we have created all the forms, we have created all the forms. Now it's to enter data in our tables. So we have entered data in the bandits table. Now we enter in our bills form. Our bills form, let us have use B underscore 001 institution ID. We use inst 0 it is 01 or 001 bill month, let's say January. Paid, yes. It's connected, yes. So you can add. So again D, we are adding some damage 002 month in January. Paid now is connected, yes. Paid, yes. It's connected, no. Add D underscore 003 003 again. Bill month, save a growth. Date, no. Paid, yes. And it is connected, yes. You can pay and then you get at the same time you are disconnected. B underscore 004 full billment, same match. Paid disconnected, no. And so we have added the bills table. You can see. Then now next is the computers table. And we can have com 01 institute 001 quantity. We bought 5 computers at a unit cost of 40,000, which was a default value. Again we have com 02 minute. Com 02 22. Say this one port 40 computers. Home 03 003 quantity. Say this one port 26 and home 04 00 home. So on port say 39 add. So you can exit from our computer table. You have that close with the contacts home. Contacts say C underscore 01 001. Contact name, like let me say my name Kevin. That's my phone number. This is my phone number. You can contact me there. You can ask me questions there. Okay, which is 07 14 375 097. That's my phone number. You can contact me if you wish. If you see there's something I've done wrong, you can ask me. You can share ideas. You can help each other. Okay, so and this is my email, kevinmomani.km@gmail.com. gmail.com. So I can add again love C underscore 02 002. Contact name, let me just say James. Phone number, let me guess a number there. Email, yes, and then put at gmail.com. Second add C underscore C underscore 03 I think 003. They in the institution ID, because we are there, you can use the combo box if you don't want to struggle. Contact name, this may say Joy. Phone number, this is phone number, and then the email, say joy@gmail.com. And that's another, because it's a dummy data. We had added data in administration table, as you can see. Then downloads, say L01 001. Number of nodes, say 45 43. The cost should be because it's calculated again L02 02. Number of nodes, say 13. And 03. Nodes 25. And 04. Nodes, say 5. That way. Come here. Payment ID. Okay. This a minute in the payments table. The payments table. the payment type should have been a lookup wizard. That's because payments table. Payment type. So go back inside. Payment type should be lookup wizard. Is it not working? Anyway, just close this. Close all. So I come here inside payment type. You will have wizard. So you type next. So this one Zeta is paying for registration. Institution, this institution fee, then is it paying for fine, okay, then again all this I'll remember all the payments. Now let us just deal with the institution and then yes, so let me come to payment form. Still not working, huh? But at least you have seen. So this is images P01 bill ID as the bills table, or it was P underscore. You can copy all this. Date, input this, amount paid, side photo, and then just write registration. Payment type. Okay, this one was not supposed to be there by then. Suppose type register. Let me just add. So B payments table. This is 2. Amount paid 60,000. The bills table. 1 minute. The bills table. Oh, you see the relationships are working. It's P002. Okay. Let that dummy data be enough. Then we go to the last one, which is a subscription form. Sub 01 last 01. About the bandwidth, I want to know the bandwidth How did we do that? B001 B001 start date here is upgrade. Yes, he has upgraded. We have sub 002 002 and it was B B002 B02 start date B. Somewhere here is upgrade. Yes, then you add like an exit. So as you can see, all my tables now have data. All my tables have data. All my tables have data. All my tables have data. Now, in my next class, I'm going to teach you on how to create the queries. I have the queries here. I have all the queries here. Yes. I have all the queries here. It's question per question, as you see. Question 3A, the fields that we are supposed to add and fill the last query. Build the last query. So these are all the queries that we shall create by using the data we have now. We have our tables, we have our forms, we have entered our dummy data to our tables. Okay, so we shall be creating all these queries to see whether we are answering all the questions that the project requires. Okay, now kindly subscribe if you don't want to miss my next video. I have done this video while in the laboratory students. Now that most of them are doing database, at least most of them are creating forms, which is good. I want us to finish the project and then start the revision area. So kindly contact me. We can be friends. We can be helping each other. Okay, we can be helping each other for us to continue. Thank you and kindly subscribe. Mubarikiwe, 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 mubarikiwe sana.